Are paint runs, overspray, orange peel, or dirt nibs slowing your cycle times down? Are you looking for an easy-to-use, one-step solution for paint finishing? At Presta Products, we know you're always looking to move faster because you have to move on to the next vehicle. That's why we created Paste Paint Finishing System, a one-step solution that includes everything you need to efficiently cut and polish to achieve a beautiful, swirl-free finish. This system, built for use with a dual-action orbital polisher, includes bottle of Paste Heavy and Medium Cut compounds, Paste Ultimate Polish and Protective Glaze, plus pads specifically designed to our compounds. There's also a pad conditioning brush, ultra-soft edgeless microfibers, and an instructional poster. Today we're going to show you how to properly use paste to save time and money while delivering professional-looking finishes to your customers. This hood has considerable orange peel, thus was sanded with 1500 grit. Knowing this, we recommend the Paste Heavy Cut compound. Paste Heavy Cut compound is a correcting and polishing compound that removes severe defects, as well as P1500 sand scratches and polishes to a deep gloss in one step. For the Heavy Cut compound, you have two choices of pads: gray foam for softer clears or purple foamed wool for harder clears. Today, we're going to use the purple foamed wool pad. After shaking the compound, apply 4 1/4-inch dots of compound to the pad. Set the orbital to the lowest speed and spread the compound over the desired work area. Your work area should be no larger than 20 inches by 20 inches. For a new pad, you might need to add 2 more dots of compound to ensure you have enough on the pad. Once the compound is spread and your pad is seasoned, increase the speed of the orbital to the highest setting and work the compound in a crosshatch pattern while applying medium pressure. While working, watch as the compound turns from opaque in color to almost clear. This means the abrasives have broken down, turning the compound into a polish, making it a one-step system. When the compound has turned clear and you've finished your final passes, shut off the orbital and wipe excess compound from the surface with an ultra-soft edgeless microfiber. Because it's water-based, you'll find that paste cleans up easily without leaving a greasy film. At this point, you've finished the one-step correction and polish process, and the spot that you sanded down just a few minutes ago looks beautiful, and you were able to remove the defect and still match the original OEM surface. But if you desire an ultra-deep gloss, or you want to make sure the corrected area is completely blended in, you can follow up with our Paste Ultimate Polish. In addition to being an ultra-deep gloss enhancer, Paste Ultimate Polish can also be used for light correction, including holograms and light swirl marks, ideal for quick polishing work. Our Ultimate Polish uses the black foam pad. Apply 4 1/4-inch dots of polish to the pad. Set the orbital to the lowest speed and spread the Ultimate Polish over the desired work area. Once spread and your pad seasoned, increase the speed of the orbital to your middle setting and work the compound in a crosshatch pattern while applying almost zero pressure, just enough to guide the machine. Wipe off with an ultra-soft edgeless microfiber. Another area on this vehicle has some dirt nibs that were right on top of the paint. We final sanded with P3000 to remove the defect. In this case, we recommend the Paste Medium Cut compound and orange foam pad. Notice the cap and foam pad are both orange to be sure you have them paired correctly. Paste Medium Cut compound is a correcting and polishing compound that should be used for P2500 sand scratches and up, and removes heavy swirls caused by rotary polishers. It also polishes to a deep gloss in one step. If you encounter a soft or underbaked clear, we recommend sanding to P3000 and using the Medium Cut compound with the orange pad. Because only a small area needs to be corrected, we're switching to the 3-inch dual-action orbital polisher with corresponding pads. These pads are made of the same material and perform identically to the standard size. From here, simply follow the same process as with the Heavy Cut compound. At this point, you've finished the correction and polishing process. If desired, you could blend in this area with Paste Ultimate Polish. If you're looking for overall protection after you've got the finish where you want it, consider our Paste Protective Glaze. This glaze is a breathable product that protects surfaces without causing solvent pop. It can be applied by hand or with the orbital polisher. You finally found a one-step process that provides a true correction that's not masked by greasy films, waxes, or fillers. Set a new pace in your shop and reduce your cycle times. The Presta Pace Paint Finishing System.